Hello students, today continues the integration class. What is the problem? Integration of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. First we write the integration of sin 2x into sin 3x into sin x dx. Already we know that sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. What is the formula? Sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is equal to sin 2x into sin 2x into 1 by 2 into cos of A is equal to 3x, B is equal to x, cos of 3x plus x, 3x minus x minus cos of 3x plus x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 is the constant. By integration sin 2x into cos of 3x minus x cos 2x minus cos of 3x plus x cos 4x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 2x cos 2x minus sin 2x into cos 4x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 2x cos 2x dx minus 1 by 2 into cos 4x sin 2x cos 4x sin 2x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 into multiply and divide the 2. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 2x cos 2x dx minus 1 by 2 into, since integration of cos b sin a cos b sin a is equal to, what is the formula? Cos b sin a is equal to integration of cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Next is equal to integration of 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b. A is equal to 4x. Next plus b is equal to 2x into plus minus sin of 4x minus 2x into dx is equal to is equal to 1 by 4 into integration of 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a, nothing but sin 4x dx. Next minus 1 by 4 into integration of sin 4x plus 2x sin 6x dx minus into minus sin 4x minus 2x is equal to sin 2x into dx is equal to 1 of sin 4x minus cos 4x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into what is the sin 6x integration? What is the sin 6x? Cos 6x by 6 minus cos 6x by 6 minus into minus plus cos 2x by 2 plus 6 is equal to minus plus into minus minus cos 4x by 16 minus into minus plus cos 6x by 24 minus into plus minus cos 2x by 4 to ja 8 plus c. Sin of a plus x dx. What is the problem? Integration of sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Integration of sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Integration of sin of a plus x minus a by sin of a plus x into dx. A is the add and subtraction. This is the a and this is the b. What is the sin of a minus b formula? Integration of sin of a minus b is equal to sin a nothing but sin of a plus x sin a cos b minus cos a sin b by sin of a plus x into dx. First write the separate integration. Integration of sin of a plus x into cos a by sin of a plus x dx minus integration of cos of a plus x into sin a by sin of a plus x into dx. Sin of a plus x is the cancel is equal to integration of cos a dx minus sin a is the constant sin a into cos a by sin a is equal to cot of a plus x dx. Sin theta by cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Cos a is the constant cos a into 1 into dx minus sin a into cot of a plus x into dx is equal to cos a into what is the integration of 1 x sin a into what is the cot x integration. Since integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x, integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x, nothing but log of sin of a plus x plus c. Since integration of cot x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c. This is the formula for integration of cot of a plus x is equal to log of sin of a plus x plus c. Next problem, integration of log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. Log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. Integration of log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. First use the substitution method. Put log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of log x? Log x, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x, nothing but 1 by 1 plus x is equal to t is the dependent variable, nothing but dt by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x into dx is equal to dt. The values are substitute in the above equation. The values are substitute in the above equation. What is the equation? Log of 1 plus x into 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to log of 1 plus x is equal to t. 1 by 1 plus x into dx is equal to dt. What is the integration of t? Integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Nothing but t, nothing but t power 1 is equal to t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. T square by 2 plus c. What is the t value? Log of 1 plus x whole square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Next. Integration of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube into dx. Secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube into dx. Integration of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube dx. Use the substitution method. What is the substitution method? Put 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of 1? 1 is the constant. Constant derivative is 0 plus tan x derivative is secant square x is equal to t is the dependent variable. What is the derivative of t? dt by dx. Secant square x into dx is equal to dt. The all values are substitute in the above equation. Integration of secant square x in by 1 plus tan x whole cube dx is equal to, what is the secant square x into dx is equal to dt by 1 plus tan x is equal to t cube is equal to 1 by t cube dt is equal to, you write the t power minus 3 dt. This is in the form of integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Nothing but t power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c is equal to t power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c is equal to minus 1 by 2 into t square plus t. T power minus 2, you write the 1 by t square is equal to minus 1 by 2 into t is equal to 1 plus tan x whole square plus c. This is the integration of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus tan x whole square plus c. Next problem. Integration of x cube into sin x power 4 dx. X cube into sin x power 4 dx. First, we write the integration of x cube into sin x power 4 dx. Use the substitution method. Put x power 4 is equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. What is the x power 4 derivative? 4 into x cube. This is the formula of d by dx of x power n. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. What is the value? N is equal to 4 into x power 4 minus 1, nothing but 3, nothing but 4x cube. T is the dependent variable. dt by dx, 4x cube dx is equal to dt. The problem is observed, only x cube into dx, nothing but x cube into dx is equal to dt by 4. The values are substituted in the above problem. Integration of sin into x power 4 into x cube dx is equal to sin into x power 4 is equal to, what is the value? T sin t. X cube dx is equal to dt by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into sin t into dt. 1 by 4 into, what is the integration of sin x? Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, minus cos t plus c, plus into minus, minus 1 by 4 into cos t plus c, minus 1 by 4 into cos into t is equal to x power 4 plus c, x power 4 plus c. Next problem. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square x into e power x dx, x into e power x dx. This is the 2 marks is very important problem. 2 marks the very important problem. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square into x into e power x dx. We use the substitution method. Put x into e power x is equal to t, x into e power x is equal to t. Derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x. Use the UV formula, two functions, algebraic function and exponential function. What is the UV formula? U into V dash plus V into U dash, nothing but U into dV by dx plus V into du by dx. What is the U? X into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into d by dx of x is equal to dt by dx. X into e power x derivative nothing but e power x. E power x into x derivative nothing but 1 is equal to dt by dx. The e power x is the common. X plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. We substitute the all values in the above problem. Integration of e power x into 1 plus x by cos square into x into e power x dx. Integration of e power x into x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. E power x into 1 plus x dx is equal to, what is the value? dt by cos square into x into e power x is equal to t is equal to 1 by cos square into t, cos square t into dt. Already we know that first year trigonometry formula 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square t dt. What is the integration of secant square x is equal to tan t plus c. Integration of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c is equal to tan of, what is the value of t is equal to x into e power x plus c, x into e power x plus c.